Ndlovu isupport elikhulu le Sundowns bengithi ufaya amasilela kanti ufaya Ndlovu uthatha leli gama lika Fire
igama elithatha kwi-Fire Masilela lelo.
Okay.
Bengimthanda
eshelela edlala ngama-Giants. Okay, Sundowns 3 Murumo Gallants 1 uthini ngegame yanamhlanje?
Bruwan oqala down first half.
Yeah.
Isho silimaza ucoach.
Yes.
Kokuqala i-complaint yami one awuthi ukuthi uRosilo there's no way uthi angaqala before umkhulise no-Obas.
Yeah.
There's no way angasebenzini nge-favoritism ucoach wethu.
Yeah.
But anyway Downs cishe salahlisa idapho first half lapha esiswini.
Yeah.
But walibona iphutha lakhe walungisa ngomkweli.
Afaka umrembula
hayi national team player phela le.
International player.
U20 i-South Africa umkweli. Uyayibonela into azenzayo. This is an international player.
Yabonakala.
Yes baba.
Yeah.
Okwesibili uyabona ukuthi game iyahamba manje.
Yeah.
Funa abomshishi manje bayipolice. Amagela abomshishi beposition football manje. Tikitaka bakhathali bemarumu shibaqini bangasalithola. Into sekumele nje ayishaye lapho.
Okay.
Amaphutha amancane ehlisa umkhazi ukuwabonile.
Yebo.
But next time bangasakwenza amaphutha. Into engikhala ngayo ukuthi ngisakhala sigcizelela. To you, Mr. Cardoso, if you hear this message, please, there's no way Urisilo can start before police or Obas.
Yeah.
There's no way.
No way.
There's no way.
No way.
There's no way, Bafu.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't cancel Kaku.
No.
And you want to sell a but the column chat up there on the right hand side.
Ngibonile
but that is left udlalile ngoba wenzile ama-chance okuthola amagoli amaphasi abuya kuyo i-secondary assist abuya kuyo. Yes baba, iyo umbono wami.
Siyabonga. You talk TikTok, Facebook.
Yes.
We talk football. Video yakho uzoyithola.